Dennis Vieira. I'm the executive chef at the Red Clover Inn in Mendon, Vermont. And this is how you make ceviche with pre-cooked tuna. Ceviche is normally a preparation from South America that takes acid, citric acid, lime juice, grapefruit juice to cook a protein. Here we're working with a pre-cooked fish. So we're adding the flavors of a ceviche, which has the aromatics of the herbs, the citrus, and the aromatics. The ingredients for this dish, we're going to use some sliced shallots, some heirloom tomatoes, some chopped, seeded, and peeled tomatoes, some cilantro, some red and yellow peppers, some lime juice, some olive oil, and some kosher salt. Slice the fish. I'm going to add this fish right to a bowl. Now we're going to rough chop some cilantro. I'm going to add this right to the bowl. I'm going to dice some of my red and yellow peppers. I'm going to dice up some of these nice slivered shallots. I'm going to add this right to the bowl. I'm going to go and grab our diced, peeled, and seeded tomatoes. We're going to season with some salt, and we're going to add lime juice. Now this lime juice is for flavoring. It's not exactly to cook the fish, since the fish is already pre-cooked. We're going to give this a toss. Add a little bit of olive oil. Another little toss, and we're ready to go to the plate. And this is how you make a pre-cooked fish ceviche. I'm Executive Chef Dennis Vieira at the Red Clover Inn here in Mendon, Vermont. Bon appetit.